Hey designers! My name is Andrea Ansel. I'm the Director of Design here at FTD. Today, I'm going to show you how to create the standard version of a beautiful bouquet that we've named Flutter by. Inspired by my friend Maria, who wears the prettiest pastels and has the brightest smile. This arrangement is sure to light up any space with its soft spring tones. Flutter by will live in this wonderful cinched vase as part of our signature collection. Make sure you fill the vase 3/4 of the way up with room temperature water. And remember, as we design today and every day, we're going to remove any leaves that fall below the water line so our bouquet can stay beautiful and be enjoyed for as long as possible. We'll start with our base, the salal tips. Make sure you're spreading these out in a grid pattern for the flowers we'll be adding. Due to the scale of the hydrangea and daisy palms, this bouquet actually uses fewer stems than some of our others in this collection this spring. Next, you'll take your white daisy palms, carefully placing them throughout. After that, you'll grab your mini green hydrangeas, place each bloom on opposite sides. Letting them lay over the lip of the vase. Next, you'll add your pink alstroemeria. Finally, you'll place your pink carnations along the edges of your arrangement. I love these because they have a similar shade of pink as the alstroemeria, but their texture is so different. It's a lovely contrast for sure. And we finished! You've made yourself the Flutter by bouquet, which is sure to bring spring bliss wherever it goes.